Hi guys! Today we're making creamy garlic chicken. And for all you garlic lovers out there, this is the recipe for you. It's lightly crusted chicken cooked in the most delicious velvety garlic cream sauce. And this is seriously one of my favorite recipes, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So let's get started.
The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1.5 pounds chicken breast, half cup of flour, 1 small onion diced, 10 to 12 garlic cloves crushed, 1 cup of chicken broth, and 1 cup of half and half or heavy cream. Begin by slicing chicken in half so that your knife is parallel to the cutting board. Using a mallet, pound chicken evenly to form cutlets. Season both sides well with salt and pepper. Dredge each piece of chicken into the flour, shaking off the excess. This will help form a lightly coated crust for the sauce to adhere to. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat and add chicken. Cook until cooked through, about 3 minutes per side depending on the thickness. Remove and set aside. Add more oil to the pan and sauté onions. Cook for about 2 minutes. Add the crushed garlic cloves. Season with salt and pepper and sauté for about 2 more minutes. I know this may seem like a lot of garlic, but trust me, it's going to give it so much flavor. Add chicken broth along with half and half or heavy cream. Season the sauce well with salt and pepper. Bring to a boil and reduce heat to medium and let simmer for about 5 minutes. The sauce will reduce and become thick and creamy. Return the chicken back to the pan. Spoon over some of the sauce on top and remove from heat. If you want the full written recipe, go ahead and read the description below. The chicken is perfectly cooked tender and the garlic cream sauce is so delicious. I'm telling you, all you garlic lovers, you're going to want to just drink this sauce up. You could serve this over rice or mashed potatoes, or if you're like my hubby, with some steamed vegetables. I just have to show you guys how yummy this looks. Have to get some of that sauce in there. And my son, he loves garlic just like his mommy.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't miss out on any of my other simple and delicious recipes. Please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to take a look at my other recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.